if you do 8, right? What would you do with that? What would you do with $800 a month? So I'm not going to say I'm not doing no loan signings. Even if I do 50, if I do 4 of them at $50, that's $200. Can you do something with $200 this month for each one less than probably a half hour for loan modifications? Let's think about it. Let's think about it. Yeah, so I'm not turning down any money, okay? I'm not turning down any streams or different variations of how I can get my money. We got something going on in the chat. Hold on. Yeah, I'm not turning down anything. Oh, here we go. Just somebody talking about something that they wanted to share. Okay, let's do this. So let's see. We got, let's go back to the comments. So they found out where they're located. You guys would be great together. I know both of you, and I think y'all would be awesome together. Yes, I think y'all would be awesome together. Yeah. So let's see. Ingrid says, wouldn't want to go immigration with what's going on now. Anything could change overnight, literally. Yeah, but the thing about it is, you're not responsible for if the documents actually get approved or anything like that. You're actually helping the client fill out the documents. Because a lot of times the immigration process is just overwhelming. Just like apostilles, people are like, I don't want to be bothered with that. I'll pay you. They don't even want to be bothered with it. So you can definitely still assist in the process without worrying about what's going on in actual news. Okay. Marcel, you can't let me interview you right quick, girl. Everybody asking about wedding officiant. You can't come up here for a minute. Let me know if you can come up here for a minute. So let's see. They found out where they are. We're making some connections. Hey, Lisa. Oh, we had a question. What are Hague countries? The Hague countries are like Mexico, not Puerto Rico, Mexico, Dominican Republic, Spain. Most of the countries that we are not at war with, okay, or having issues with. So there's a whole list of them at, I think it's HCET, something like that. But just put in Hague countries and it'll pop up. And Hague countries require less processing than a non-Hague country. So those are my favorite countries to do. Okay, very good. We got a lot of people that just joined. I have a few more minutes. I'm gonna put this link in here. If anybody new wanted to talk about their business really quick, you can come on the stage. Just have your camera on. Yeah, we're making connections. Yes, that's what this is all about. So that's why, again, I love our community. Marcel, Lisa, everybody trying to get together, do a meetup. Yeah, we was trying to do one before. It just kind of fell through. Yeah, we was trying to do one. We just had a lot going on. Yeah, we could do the Georgia. I mean, y'all do what y'all gonna do. Let me know if I can come out, pop in. If I can, but I don't know. I got so much to do. I do, but I'm gonna stop saying that though, because my thing is building relationships with people. Period. It's important. So yeah, our businesses need us, but make sure you take time for your family. When you hear people say that here on YouTube and other places, it's legit, guys. Take time for your family. We have quite a few people that have joined us. Do we have any questions about the new mentorship program? I'm gonna show y'all one more time because we got so many new people that just joined, so you can see what the new program looks like. And it's designed for those of you that are just starting the business and you really want to learn how to do it correctly. Your notarial duties. It's called the Notary Business Success Startup. And I'm going to show you one more time what all is included in the $27 per month. In case you didn't see it from the beginning, I'm going to do present. Let me show you really quick, and then we're going to get ready to wrap it up because I got an NNA meeting at 6. All right, here is the startup plan. Okay? $27. It includes Notarize Like a Pro, Specialty General Notary, 1 and 2, Build Your Business, Pricing and Marketing, How to Make Money, Sample Documents, Marketing template is even included. You got your free resources, which everybody has access to. Your actual replays. You can go back and see all these replays. Unauthorized practice of law, notarization step-by-step, ID journal. And those are deep dive sessions where you get a little sneak peek as to what you're going to see when we actually meet. And again, we're meeting on Wednesday. Hey, Willie Purnell, what's going on? I'll call you, Lisa Andrea. Get my number from Kimmi. Okay, very good. Miss Kimmi, thanks for giving me Marcel info. I can't wait to meet her. Yeah, I think, you know what, all of you guys are going to be a great group together. I mean, because I love each of y'all individually. So together, yeah, I can see that. I can see that. Y'all got to quit being so shy, though. I would love for us all to do something together. But everybody's so shy, they don't want to come on camera. And that's just the wave of the future. It just is. I know y'all get sick of me saying that. I'm gonna come out of this screen right quick. Hold on. Ooh, y'all. Let me come out of stop sharing. There we go. Yeah, I would love for that, but I mean, everyone is so shy. Nobody want to come on camera, and we got to get out of that. We got one person in our mentorship group. She's doing amazing with the social media. She is trying her hardest. And she has a granddaughter that's helping her. And her videos are actually really good. We got two, actually. I forgot about Denise. Denise's channel is doing great, too. Check her out. She is Jersey, notarized with a Jersey girl, or notary with a Jersey girl. Something like that. So if you're not doing social media, people, if you're not doing social media, you need to be doing some. Let's get on camera, Marcel and Andrea. Y'all coming right now, Lisa? Look, y'all coming right now. I would love to have a panel. I'm glad you're doing well, Ms. Willie. Very good. Yeah, but for real, really think about it. If you don't have a social media presence, even for your business. So for my business, it's so funny. I started posting some of the videos because I thought about it. At first, I was like, well, the videos that I put on TikTok and Instagram for notary educators, my little dancing videos, some of those are actually appropriate for my personal business. So I started uploading them, and I did start seeing just that little uploading of videos. I saw a little bit of difference in my business. So everything you do shakes the Google algorithm, and it's like, hey, what's going on over there at None Better Notary? Let me see what they're doing. Why is there so much friction over there? Okay. Very good. So I see we have quite a few people that have joined us. What questions do you have about the new Notary Business Success entry point of $27, the startup plan for those of you who may be a little newer? You get access to your major core courses, access to the weekly live sessions and the replays, okay? And we are so excited about that. Tomorrow is our first session, so if you've not joined yet, it's not too late. You can join and start learning and start growing your business. Get the confidence that you need. Dust off those notary stamps out there. Many of you tell me all the time, I have my stamp, I'm not making any money, I don't know what to do. What's my next step? ... And honestly, I had somebody reach out, actually a couple of people this week, and I had to be honest with them. And I was like, you know what? There's nothing really I can help you with until you're ready to actually, do the business, enjoy mentorship, and just be about it. I can't teach you in a Facebook chat. I can't teach you in a YouTube chat how to be a notary. I cannot teach you in any of those little quick methods that were designed to say, hey, how you doing? How to do a whole blown loan modification package. There's just no way. So I don't even try anymore. Again, I'm all about let's do it. We've got the price point so low, so perfect, that now it's about those who are serious about their business. So if you're serious about your business, I'm serious about helping you. If you're not serious, then I can't be more serious for your business than you are, right? That doesn't even make sense. So, but that being said, I'm going to get ready to head out of here. We made some connections today. Do we have anything else that we want to talk about? Elisa, you're welcome. I don't know that I saw your comment. I think I did say something, but you're welcome. I'm glad you and Marcel have connected.